installed cameras all
Listen
over
to what he
the
says.
village. This is the elves' secret quarters ice hole.
Look.
The elves are very talented artists, and ice sculpture is their specialty. Isn't this beautiful? Now there's something I'd like to show you. Here, in my huge library, I have a book about every child. Now let's see.
Look.
Where is it?
Look.
Ah, here's yours.
Your book says about you, mister. The word says
Santa Claus knows you very well.
he knows
You're
you.
6 years old, aren't you?
Yeah, that
Go to
is
school.
crazy.
Now let's see what it says.
He has a Christmas tree.
Oh, you've really grown, haven't you?
We're both grown, Mom.
Yep.
It's mine.
Been good since last Christmas. I know.
I was in the book.
Uh-huh.
To try
You
your
reading about me.
best, listen to your
The
parents.
first video was reading
Let's
about
see
me.
what my elves saw on their machine.
What's it say?
Gabriel, you're on my good list. Great job.
You're on the naughty list or the nice list?
A
My
nice
elves and I are very proud of you, and I think they've started getting you a present ready.
Really?
Come with me.
You're the best Santa Claus.
I'm going to show you the most secret place in my home village. It's here in the elves' workshop where all the magic happens.
What? You're gonna give me a bus.
I see you want a gift to keep yourself amused.
Ooh. That's cool, Santa.
Oh, I don't think you'll be disappointed. And on Christmas Eve, I'll bring it to you wherever you are. Because I can always find you, and I know that you live right here.
Where is that, Gabe?
In Florida.
Yeah.
Now let's go
Florida.
and see if my reindeer are ready for the big trip. They just can't wait to pull my sleigh.
Hey, Santa, even Rudolph
Just
can
like you,
make
he's
it.
full of energy.
He's excited
On
to give it
Christmas
at
Eve,
us.
he'll be part of my team. But first, I have to train him. Oh, it's time for me to go on my daily sleigh ride. Gabriel, I'll see you again very soon.
I think he's flying today.
You think?
Merry Christmas
laughing.
and a Happy New Year.
And he says bye-bye. Yes, Happy New Year.
What do you think about that?
Good. That's really cool. I want to hear that again.
Okay.